In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create class website using Google Sites. We'll walk through a simple setup that gives your students a central hub for everything they need, from your syllabus to assignments and class updates. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized site that's easy to manage and easy for students to navigate. Start by heading to sites.google.com in your web browser. On the Google Sites homepage, you'll see an option to create a new site. You can click the blank option to design everything from scratch, or choose a class template to speed things up with a ready-made layout. The class template is a great starting point because it's structured for education, with sections and styles that fit most classrooms. If you prefer more control over the design from the beginning, blank works well too. Once your canvas opens, give your site a clear, recognizable name. This name appears at the top and helps students know they're in the right place. Use your course name and term if that helps, like Biology 101 Fall. Next, set your class title on the homepage header so it's front and center. If you have a school or class logo, you can add it to reinforce your brand and make the site feel official. Keep your title short and consistent with what students see on your syllabus and learning platform. Now let's build the main structure using the Pages tab. You'll find it along the right side of Google Sites. Click to add new pages and give each one a clear, student-friendly name. Start with syllabus, assignments, resources, and announcements. These 4 pages create a strong backbone for your class website. Short names keep the top navigation clean, and Google Sites will automatically add these pages to your menu so students can find them easily. Think about what each page will hold. Your syllabus page is perfect for your course overview, grading policy, required materials, and classroom expectations. The assignments page can outline upcoming tasks, due dates, and any instructions or rubrics students need. On the resources page, gather helpful links, reference documents, and study guides so everything is in one place. Finally, the announcements page gives you a dedicated spot for updates, reminders, and schedule changes, helping students stay on track. As you work, keep your layout simple and consistent. Use clear headings, concise text, and a predictable order so students always know where to look. That's it, the foundation is set. With your site created, named, and organized into syllabus, assignments, resources, and announcements, you're ready to maintain a straightforward, student-friendly class website.